Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today we are in Miami. You can see we're in a parking garage. Well, we are in Homewood Suites by Hilton in downtown Miami, Brickell area. Now, right up there in the ceiling, right above that is the pool. So this hotel is very different. This is where you're going to park. It's $30 valet parking only, and you come in that way and they'll take your car, and then you go up an elevator and you will go up to the lobby. And this is where you check in, get your key, whatever it is you need. And then we're going to show you a little bit more around the lobby area, just because you want to see what it's all like. There is a lot of relaxing area, and you can look out. And this is near the food, but we're going to bring you back and show you all the breakfast, because you do get a free breakfast at this Homewood Suites. This is where you're going to sit. You can see the breakfast area back there, and there is free coffee throughout the day. Now we're going to take the elevator to our room. This is the hallway and what it looks like. Now they're renovating this as we were there. The lobby has a lot of renovations, so they are upgrading everything. So this is our room, just a 1-bedroom suite with a little kitchen area, which we'll show you. We're going to bring you around back. That's the bedroom. We're going to show you the bathroom next, and then I'll show you the rest of it. It's a pretty good sized bathroom, I like, because I like to have a door between the shower and bathroom and the sink in case you want to do other things. There is a closet across from the bathroom sink back here that you can go in, hang up some clothes, ironing board, extra pillows, etc. And now I'll let my partner tell you about the rest of the room.
Coming in here, here's the bedroom. Turning on the light. So that's a king, right?
Yeah, behind me.
Looking behind me. There's a TV on the side, not the front. You want to see something really funny when I get over here? Here is the second bed stand, light, charger.
That's funny?
No. Charger, clock. Guess where the safe is? Boom, there's the safe. You come this way and the couch only has one cushion. So the couch has one cushion. Obviously it's a pull-out bed, and they don't expect us to sit on it. Only one of us can sit on there. And then the other person is gonna sit on that thing. Or there's Robin's feet, that thing, which is gonna be our table. That's what's funny. Yeah, not there yet. Okay. We get a view of a wall or a garage. I think that's a garage. We got a view of a garage. And then we have nice pictures on the wall above the couch with one cushion. That's hilarious. Two chairs for the table. I think that's a clock, but it's facing backwards. And beside the front entry door is the refrigerator, the kitchenette, where you get a refrigerator, full-size refrigerator with ice, turning on the ice, turning on the ice. Refrigerator full-size, you get a dishwasher, coffee maker, coffee stuff. There's the utensils. Dishes, drinking glasses, cooktop stove, 2-burner, microwave oven. What's in the top? Top is empty. Bottom, well, it doesn't work. As you can tell, there's pots and pans in the bottom there. And over here, probably the garbage can. Yep, garbage can. And you get cleaning stuff, paper towels, and this is tabletop where you put your crap, and a garbage can. So this is a pretty good sized room. It's about maybe a 10-foot ceiling, 9-foot ceiling, 9-foot ceiling. But they give us the teeniest, tiniest ceiling fan. How much air that's gonna move? Not much. Goes along with a 1 cushion on our couch. 1 cushion. That's funny.
So now we're going back down to the lobby because we're going to have breakfast and we want to show you what it looks like. These are where you will sit, and over here is the breakfast. On this day they had tacos and chorizo, and you can make your own. There's always waffles and lots of different breads, and we're going to show it all to you, and you decide what it is you want to eat. It may be different when you go. There is a little store here if you need to pick something up, and it's better than waiting for your car and then trying to go out in the middle of Miami if you just need to pick something up. And again, this is where you check in and you check out. But it's time to look at some of the amenities. I really am interested in seeing what the pool is like. I'm interested in seeing the laundry, the fitness center. So let's go. So there it is. There's the pool on the second floor where the lobby is. And it's an open pool, but it's in the building. And I showed you below when we were down and we first came where it was. And you can sit out. It's a small pool and it's not very deep. I think 3.5 feet. But, you know, if you want a pool, you got one. And it's kind of cool to look out and see the trains, or who knows. When you're in Miami, you never know what you're going to see. So when you get out, you can walk down the hallway. Just follow the directions. There's some signs, different areas. And we are going to go to the fitness center. There are several different rooms. They were in use at this time, so we didn't want to show you. But this is the fitness center. You need to have a key, and then you can go in. Let's check it out. Here you can see that they are still renovating the lobby. And right across from the fitness center, there's an ice machine, and then there is the laundry room. Make sure you bring your key if you want to get in the fitness center or the laundry room or the pool, because you need them to get in and out. And again, there's some tape and different things because they're in the process of renovating. So this is pretty much what the Homewood Suites by Hilton at Brickell in Miami is like. This is RockinRobin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, watch all our videos around Miami.